Hey y'all, Fuzzy Biker here. Very excited Fuzzy Biker. Look what I got over my shoulder, huh? We have been waiting for that for a very long time. We here at we're at Baxter Cycle in the mighty mini metropolis of Marnie have finally got our first Goan Classic. Check that out. Isn't that just beautiful? Look at all the detail. I'm going to go over just look at this. The color, very flamboyant colors. You know, look at this thing here. The white on there. Absolutely gorgeous work there. Goan Classic 350. What is a Goan Classic? Well, Goa is a part of India. I was in Goa last November, I believe. They're known for their motorcycle. All of India is motorcycle culture, but Goan motorcycle culture is very flamboyant, very showy, very beautiful. If you're from Goa, you're very fortunate. And this is called a Goan Classic from that region. You know, it's made by Royal Enfield. It's styled after the bikes from that region, and it's really something to look at. You know, it's got well, what is it in stock form? It's a 349cc single cylinder, air cooled, single overhead cam, 2-valve, puts out about 20 horsepower, about 20 foot-pounds of torque. That's about 27 newton meters. Has a 5-speed transmission, chain drive, dual shock rear end. Check that out. There is a back seat that comes with this, by the way. They just took it off because I think it looks better. Disc brakes forward and rear. I'm not sure of the disc size. I'm going to call that a 270 on the rear with a single piston bi-brake caliper. Running over to the front, it's probably a 300 millimeter disc with a dual piston bi-brake caliper. But look at the wheel on there. That is a 190/19 wheel. It is a tubeless tire. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? Look at the angled valve stem right there. Isn't that just beautiful how they've done all that detail? Absolutely flamboyant. Absolutely beautiful, you know, just beautiful. About 5.1 inches of travel. That's 130 millimeters. This is they are covered, of course. This is all metal, by the way. All of this is metal. This nacelle is cast aluminum. And by the way, check out these Tiger Eyes. They are now LED. I had to put those in on my own bike myself. Now they come that way. The blinkers are LED, the headlights LED. You know what I don't know is the tail light. Is the tail light LED? I can't tell by looking at it. But like I said, the blinkers are for sure. This thing is eye candy all the way. It's just a gorgeous thing, isn't it? I love the paint on the front fender. You know, this, I don't know what color that is. Turquoise kind of. The orange, the white stripe. Look at that anodized aluminum rim. The white wall tire, of course. There's so much going on just right here. This little eyebrow over the light. Just gorgeous. Oh, I just noticed there's a tripper. We'll get to that in a minute. Big old beautiful chrome pipe right there. Controls are forward on this Classic. So normal Classic, the controls are about right here. These are forward up here. And something I noticed on this, not only does it have forward controls, it's got the heel toe shifter. So now you have the heel toe shifter as stock. Isn't that just beautiful? Little chrome caps right here. Just all kinds of everything. And by the way, this is all metal, you know. Every little bit of this is metal, you know. And I love this. Look at this brace on the back. Oh, that's metal. That is absolutely metal. Very nice. I thought that was plastic, but no, that's metal. This is something different also, you know, with the blinkers attached right there. Very well done. Running up this way, it's got the tall bars. So the center bars would be about right here. These are tall like this. Hey, I just noticed this. These are similar to the super meter that I have a super meter. They have these same clusters on there, you know. Information button right there. Pass to flash, flash to pass, I mean. High lows, blinkers, horn. The grips, the dog leg levers, you know, narrow here, wide through here, radius through here, and adjustable. Very nice. And look at these adjusters here for the clutch. Me gusta mucho. The mirrors are chrome. They got this black piece here. So it's a chrome mirror with a black detail right there. Isn't that nifty? Jumping over to this side. Kill switch is like that. Run is right there. You rock it like that to start the motorcycle. Wonder if it's in neutral. Can you hear it? I like it. I like it a lot. Running down this way, this used to be a stamped steel piece. This is now a cast piece. Very well done. Key over here. Very basic instrumentation, right? Well, kinda. So here's a speedo right here. Battery light, ABS light, engine light, neutral light, of course. Down here you got the LED fuel gauge. Look at this. Now has a gear indicator, huh? First time they've done that on a 350. So trip 1, trip 2, time, back to the odometer, and then there is a gear indicator. So over here on this side is the day tripper. You tie that in with your phone, put your destination in. It'll give you turn-by-turn directions on how to get to where you're going. But isn't that just beautiful right through there? I love it. I love it. I got to sit on this. Check that out. So when you're going down the road on this, the bike's rolling away on me. When you're going down the road on this, got your helmet on. All this kind of disappears. You know, the world is in front of you. You kind of feel like you're flying through the air. You know, that's my take on the 350 Classic. This one, you're doing the same thing, but it's a much more beautiful motorcycle, isn't it? I love my 350 Classic. This is just a step above. Look at this here. Even this has got that same anodization as they do up here. Very nice. Well done, guys. Well done. Beautiful thing, isn't it? Again, the piano finish on the metal right there. Just gorgeous. Center stand, of course, stock. Rear foot pegs, because there is a rear seat, like I mentioned earlier. I don't think this one's going to last in the showroom very long. So whoever buys this, lend it to me. We'll do a neat little cruising video. Beautiful machine. So the price on this is the craziest part of everything. A customized Royal Enfield, brand new with a 3-year warranty, unlimited mileage, $49.99 plus $500, I think it is, something like that for. So what is that? $5,500 for everything. Walk out the door with that bike. I like it. Now, if you're interested in this motorcycle or brand new or used Royal Enfield, Triumph, Classic British bike of any type, need parts, accessories, thingamajigs, doodads, helmets, gloves, jackets, socks and underwear, anything at all, get yourself over here to Baxter Cycle in the mighty metropolis of Marnie, Iowa, or go to baxtercycle.com. Tell those fine folks at Fuzzy Biker, this guy right here, sent you. Now, it's a beautiful day here. Absolutely gorgeous day here. I think I'm going to get my bike out and go for a motorcycle ride, you know? Hit like and subscribe, get off that couch, and wahoo! Hey y'all, Fuzzy Biker here in Gateway, Colorado. I went to get some gasoline, and this guy right here, his name's Dave, asked me to move my motorcycle. Can you believe that? Not really. He came out and said, wahoo! So 1, 2, 3, wahoo!